Why prospect do not buy from you? There are mainly three reasons why they don't buy from you. I'm going to talk about those exact reasons and also how to overcome that. So I have that kind of solution with you. So you must have felt that whenever someone on a you are on a one-to-one call with you, and they your prospect say to you like, I will let you know, I need to think about, okay, the price is high or something on those areas. Okay, what you have to understand is the three reasons are basically either they are not trusting you, they do not have trust you upon on thinking like whether you will be able to solve their problem or not. Second, either they are not trusting the vehicle that they are seeing for the first time, maybe from you, that whether the vehicle or the solution that you are providing can actually help them. The third reason is that they don't even believe in themselves. They have trust issue in themselves that whether they will be able to do it or not, whether they have some time constraint, money constraint, or some lack of confidence issues, the attitude of putting the efforts they do not have. Then these are the top three reasons why someone do not buy from you. And how to overcome this? You must have also felt it, like in the one-to-one sales call, the client is asking, so how many clients have you been worked with, how many results have you got, from how long you have been working with, all these questions. Okay, and you feel like I have that kind of expertise, and why this person is asking those questions to me? This is ridiculous. Okay, now how to overcome these objections basically during the one-to-one sales calls? So this topic came into my mind where I was making a training video, or a or you can say this is a homework kind of video that any prospect who is booking a call with me has to watch before coming onto a one-to-one call with me. Okay, since I am also like optimizing my processes and things, and the same thing I am implementing with my clients also, with whom I work with. So so whatever strategy I use, I implement with my client also as per the requirement, especially in the case of one-to-one sales call. So I was creating a training video so that they have, so any prospect who is booking call with me have to watch before they speak to me. Okay, the reason is, you must have known about this nurturing thing and all, how to nurture the right kind of people to with right kind of content. Since someone is booking a call with you, that prospect is totally cold audience. Okay, they don't know about you, they don't give a shit about you, they only worry about the problems they are having in their life. So how to nurture to those kind of prospect? Even if it is the warm audience are basically those who have interacted with you, have some kind of, they have become your lead, or maybe they have bought small ticket size of any lead magnet from you, or maybe they have bought, if they are already being your customer, then they already know your taste. Okay, so you have to send them this homework video before they come onto a call with you. So how to structure this homework video, how to structure this training video? So since I have created my training video, so I'm just taking out few pointers from there and I'm going to explain it to you. First of all, you have to start with a hook statement that is more relatable in your industry. So in my industry, in my niche, in which I run a marketing agency in which I help coaches and expert in building their knowledge business by helping them generate lead acquisition system for them via paid ads and funnel. Okay, so my hook is like how to scale your coaching business to 5 lakh rupees per month, 10 lakh rupees per month, and beyond with paid ads from scratch. But you know your expertise. Okay, without complex funnels, without complex funnels of L1, L2, and L3, or selling low ticket funnels. This is my hook of the video. Now, whoever prospect is coming to me, talk to me, Dana, they are on this fence of starting, maybe starting, launching, or scaling their coaching business. Whether they are confused that they have to start their coaching business and have to make 1 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees per month. Okay, or either they are making something and they want to now scale to 10 lakh rupees per month. Okay, because scaling business to 10 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees is just not a joke. It's a whole system and processes are involved in it. You cannot just scam people. Okay, if you are on that path, you will be making money for a while, and your like you will be making for a 1 or 2 year, and then market will be like back shaming you. creating video about your scams, about your non your morals will be down basically. Okay, and then you will be lost in the market because you are just trying to sell your courses and not actually be helping people in their queries. Okay, so now, then after this slide, you have to make about who this is for. Now you have to clearly mention about who are your target audience, who should watch this video, or you can just say, like mention it, who should watch this video. So for me, so for my case, it is for beginner coaches who want to start and launch their coaching business to make 1 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees month and beyond. Second, high ticket coaches who want to sell their premium courses and coaching program with ease and maximize revenue. Third is experienced coaches who have tried everything but are not able to crack a sustainable business revenue consistently. Okay. Fourth is offline coaches who have done well offline and now searching for a proven method to expand their business online. Fifth type of audience that I work with, organically successful coaches, means that who have done well organically via social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, but don't know how to leverage paid ads for building a sustainable lead acquisition funnel for them. So in this slide, I've talked about these things. Okay. Then what I'm talking about now, I will talk about the problems basically. What are the pain point and problems actually my audience goes through? Okay. For example, if you're a relationship coach, your audience might go through the toxic nature in communication. Okay. The intimacy is lost. Okay. The communication is lost. The transparency is lost. Okay, so all of these are pain point of your audience, so you have to write those problems. So now in my case, what are the main problems which I have felt as per my experience? You don't have to use chat gpt in this, because if you are an expert of your field, you can easily decode what are the problems, because you have talked to so much of prospect in dms and calls, that what are the problems, you know it exactly. Okay, so in my niche, what in my services, people generally have lack of clarity in niche. They do not know their market fit and their target audience. Second is no predictable lead generation method. They do not have a predictable lead generation method, although they know about this LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram and everything, but they do not know how this system works, how this number game works. Third is poor quality of leads. Even if they figure out the lead generation part, the quality of lead is poor. When I say quality of lead is poor, it means that junk lead are coming. People who are do not have any idea about your services are registering for it. Okay, leads not converting. Even if leads are converting, then if even if leads are coming to you, they are not converting. They don't have paying capacity. So in that case, you are not understanding the right. You're not understanding the paying capacity of your customers basically. For example, if I am attracting fresher graduates and helping them career, they do not have going to be budget to invest. But in the case, if I attract the right kind of who are employees, corporate employees working in MNC, then they have some pocket, they have paying capacity. Now, the sixth problem is they creating social media content with no goal. So like my audience can be like in be can be come into this, like they must be creating social media content over Instagram, but they do not know where they are going. Now, the seventh problem is they are unable to create lead magnet, tripwire for business. They are not able to create on the lead magnets, which can be your which can be your maybe free webinar, paid webinar, or all out of all these things. Okay, so now you have to talk little bit of these problems in each of the slides. Okay, and then you will say, how do I know this? Then you will introduce about yourself. Now by talking about these actual problem for your audience, will make your audience feel that you are a knowledgeable person. You are not talking bullshit. You are an authoritative person who has some kind of experience, because the way you talk, the way you speak when creating videos can actually send the vibe or to persons who are like actually listening to it. Okay, whether he is just mugging up things or have actual experience in like all of those things. Now, how do I know this? Then you will say, for example, I am saying it, after working with 150 plus coaches and 100 plus sales funnel for lead generation and sales for the coaching industry in the last 5 years, I have never seen coach face any other than these problems in their business. And I have actually not seen, if any coach come to me, they're going to face these problems, because apart from these problems, other than they have their expertise, they have knowledge. Okay, they can hire someone, they can record courses and everything. These are the easiest part of the things, but they are not able to figure out these many things. That is why their coaching business is not at that they are not able to have good cash revenue. The cash collection is low in their business. Now I will tell what are the things that they must be doing in their in the slide. So I will mention about, they must be doing cold outreach, but reply rate is low. Sales is not predictable. Running ads with no success. Relying on referrals, networking events, doing high pressure webinars, selling low ticket courses, facing higher lead acquisition cost, as lead acquisition are like raising nowadays. Okay, now they are trying methods that other coaches are doing in their niche. So I have seen actually coaches like say to me like, Krantesh, I will do webinar because that coach is also doing. So if something is working for him, it will also work for me. Okay, but they don't understand at what coaching business level they are now. They are doing the webinar like for last 5 to 6 years, and you are thinking like you will be able to crack the webinar in just couple of webinars. No, my friend, it's not going to work like that. Okay, now understand. Then I will tell you about the fundamental principle, the fundamental elements that you have to solve for scaling your coaching business. So for me, it is the 5 fundamental elements, which are: you have to get clarity on niche, market, and audience. Your niche, your market fitness, and your audience, target audience. Second, you have to create your high ticket coaching program. You have to create your high ticket coaching program. Third is, you have to find out the right platform to advertise. Okay, not all audience hang out on a single platform. Okay, so if you are more focusing upon the career professionals, then go with LinkedIn. If you are having this broader type of things like maybe yoga, fitness, and all of these things, use meta ads. If you think like you want premium audience, okay, like premium courses, then go for YouTube. Okay, for example, if you have data science course, then go for YouTube. Fourth is unique sales funnel system for lead generation. So when I say unique funnel system, example is that not all coaches will be right fit for a webinar funnel. Not all coaches will be right for a VSL funnel. Fifth is right messaging on ads. If your messaging is incorrect on your ads, basically, if you are not talking the pain points that your audiences is going through, then your ad will not perform. The CTR will be low. So you have to create ad as per the pain point of your audience and the level of awareness they have. If they are problem aware, or maybe they are solution aware, or they are mostly product aware. Okay, so you have to find out this thing by doing the research. You can do the research initially with chat gpt, and then you can go to the Facebook groups, communities, Reddit's platform, YouTube comments, and Amazon comments, and see whether your audience are the problem aware. Generally the audience lies into the problem aware stage. Okay, then they come to the solution aware, and then they come to the mostly product aware, and then mostly aware. Okay, so with this you will be able to find your right messaging on the ads. And once you crack the right messaging, actually what the people want, but basically people actually want 4 to 5 reasons they have that they want. Either they want to make money, either they want to have a fulfilling relationship, either they want to have a fulfilling health. These are top 3 reasons that why. But in this also, people are also resonant with social status, fame. Okay, so these are also things that people actually crave for. Then you will introduce about yourself, that here's what I've realized in the last couple of years in the coaching industry, and after working with different niches and multiple funnels. Then you are mentioning about the secret. So my secret is that every coach is unique in their own way. Every coach is unique in their own way. So unique coaches requires unique strategy and sales funnel. This is my secret. That is what I'm decoding inside this training video. Okay, and then I'm telling about that I have figured out this highly custom business model. This is my unique USP, because I have figured out this after working with last couple of 4 to 5 years. So I'm saying it like highly custom business model is something that I have discovered. So I discovered this business model that starts generating lead instantly, and gets you high ticket clients right from the first month itself. Okay, so this is my promise, which I have realized. Now, which business model works for you depends upon your current business growth and your personality. Basically, I know that not everyone can crack webinar funnel. Not everyone can crack VSL funnel. Okay, so which business model you have to start with is something that is dependent upon you. Okay, you can get started with a free book ebook funnel for lead nurturing and all. You can start with VSL funnel. You can start with direct appointment funnel. You can start with webinar, workshop, masterclass kind of funnel, and then you can also start with 3 to 5 day challenge funnel. But cracking these things are on a different level. You can start it, but how you can easily crack it is something of another talk. Okay, you can also start with selling low ticket courses. Okay, so with this, like I am resonating with this PDF and PPT only. So with this, I am saying like I am determined to help coaches and experts with my highly custom business model. Here of then I will be talking about some of the case studies that I have helped with coaches. Okay, then I'm sharing the screenshot, the video testimonial or the screenshot that are required for these people. Okay, the actual result that I brought. Okay, then I am showcasing all the kind of people that I have worked with, and then I'm telling about my goals for coaching business. So my goal for your coaching business is I want to launch and scale your online coaching business, build a customer acquisition strategy for your niche, craft a high ticket offer for your target audience, build a custom lead acquisition sales funnel, build a backend system for nurturing and follow-ups, craft your personalized one-to-one sales script, call script, help you deliver your coaching program seamlessly and save time, streamline your entire marketing and sales process with paid ads. Then I'm introducing myself. What people do it like they introduce themselves first in the in the video, but then they come up with the problem, pain point, and everything. But here in the PPT, what I'm doing the opposite. I am again first telling about the problem, talking about it, and then so that I want people to watch the video. People don't watch the video if there is nothing for them. Okay, now and then I'm telling about my mission. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 coaches, experts, and teachers to build a profitable knowledge business so that they can transform billion of lives in the area of health, wealth, and relationship. See, if you do not have a so what is purpose basically? Doesn't matter since I'm a advertising agency, or an advertising agency, you may be a coach. If you do not have a purpose behind what you are doing, then you will be not doing for a longer period of time. Okay, so define your purpose, define your mission, whether if you are doing your business. Okay, now that I'm now after that video, after the slide, basically I'm talking about the what are the things that I'm going to work with you. Okay, and then I'm telling you about like see you in the one-to-one call and see if I can help you grow and scale your coaching business. That's it. That is my CTA. So this is how you can create this homework video, training video, and send it to your prospect who are coming to one-to-one call with you um, before they just speak to you. So I hope you have got immense value from this. And if someone needs like manually help, then they can connect with me and we will discuss it over a one-to-one call. Thank you so much.